Okay, so the problem here is that I need to find a USB Type-C cable which has not only the normal USB data lines connected, but also the SPU pins. Yeah, SPU pins and CC pins connected. Well, I think CC pins are connected by default, but like the important ones are the SPU type. And I've tried several Type-C cables that I have, and only this one is connected. So, but I don't know like what's where to buy these cables. So I'm trying to figure out, like, I'm buying two cables from Amazon. First one is from Amazon Basics. I think it's let me see. So it's this one, and it's rated at 6 feet, is like $18. And another one's from Anchor, which is this one, 2.3 feet at like almost $40. And we're going to see like who has the wires I need connected. Let's first open the box. Let's try Amazon Basics first. Okay. This is a long cable. And actually I would be surprised if it has the SPU bus connected. I assume these are facing the same way. Okay, now let's test it. Firstly, ground. Good, it's all connected. V bus. Yeah, all connected. Let's first try the polarity. Okay, D+1 is connected to D+1. And thus the D2 sets are not connected. D-1 to D-1, good. And CC. CC1 is to CC1. And CC2 is not connected to CC2. That's correct? Yeah. And now S-Bus, SPU. I don't know the full name of it. Okay. Wait, I'm probing the wrong pin. Okay, SPU2 is connected to SPU1. How about the other way? SPU1 is connected to SPU2. But they are not connected together. So we have two sets of cables, like extra cables running in this wire, or two sets of wire running in this cable, which is good. Let's try the other way. So now D -2 should be connected to D-1. Yup. Yup. And now SPU2 should be connected to SPU2. And 1 to 1. That is great. Okay, so actually I can use these cheaper Amazon cables. Now let's try Anchor. Okay. Okay, this indeed looks like high quality. Like, I mean, compared to the thickness, there's a drastic difference. And also compared to this one I have had, yeah. And also it has greater current rating, like 100 watts. I don't think the Amazon one supports up to this current. But yeah, let's test it. Yeah, it's good that like these Type-C cables, they have different marks on different sides. So like you can reason that the one with the same mark should be on the same side. Now ground. Yeah, V-bus. Yeah. D+1 to. Okay, actually these are on the different sides. So D+1 here is connected to D+2. But D+2 is not connected to D+1. Yeah. Okay, so it's the reversed way of plugging in these cables. Yeah, you can tell from the CC pins. And now SPU2 should be connected to SPU2 then. Yeah. SPU1. Yeah. Okay, they are not connected together. Good. So yeah, the Anker cable indeed has the SPU wires supported. Yeah. Good. Okay. Yeah, and indeed only a pair of the 2.0 data wires. So I think the difference would be, like, firstly the current rating. This is rated for higher current, but also like for Type-C cables, there's also another set for USB 3.1, I think, and it's also used in like Thunderbolt protocol. So I think the difference is like Amazon cables will not have those wires included. Maybe I cannot test because like for this USB Type-C expansion port, not expansion, like connector, it only has these pins, so not the USB 3.1 related wires. Yeah, but it's good to know that Amazon Basics, they also support the wire I need. Good.